pass on any offered opportunities like this because honestly, university experience is not only about studying. You get to learn through exploring and like experiencing experiences like this program, also like volunteering and like working with other people.
So I think a lot of things have helped me and enhanced me for this opportunity that we have in Prague, specifically this public speaking class. This class helped me to have an opportunity to represent in front of audience, to carry conversation and to have good conversation with people.
So when I first came to AUIB and met a lot of different people from different provinces and different backgrounds, this made me realize how different we are, and it made me more open-minded towards people who are different from me. And I think taking this a step further would be meeting cultures from Europe, from outside my country. I think this will make me more aware from my biases and make me more aware of how different we are as cultures. This will be valuable for me and will definitely be a growth experience.